Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's October 16th, Monday, when I'm recording this. I hope everyone's doing well out there. And don't forget, time is, we're getting real close to it. We got the Orlando Summit coming up. I'm going to be there. It's going to be great to see you guys. Make sure to get your tickets, and we'll be putting some faces with some screen names, and it'll be fantastic. After that, we're going to be over at the actual money show in Orlando, and that's going to be Monday and Tuesday that I will be there and speaking. So looking forward to that. And yeah, make sure you get your tickets there and also your virtual tickets. All right, as far as the market goes, I was kind of making a joke that this morning up here in Washington, it is raining cats and dogs and a little bit gloomy, but the market is actually pretty cheery today. And this is something we have been looking for. We had a perfect 250 maneuver pattern, basically right. Let me change that color right here to here to here, and it bounced. So this was really, really great. We were able to take a little bit of a hedge from here to here last week. Just worked out beautifully, really. That was just a perfect little hedge. Nice to see that the market is rebounding perfectly off of the hourly 50. The Moxie Indicator is above zero. Basically, the next step we want to see is this continue. We want to see price continue to stay over the 15-minute 50. We want to see the hourly chart continue to build some strength. And in fact, right here, we are actually getting price past the hourly 200. So really, really great. We're having a good time there. And then UNG, so natural gas, is one of those things that I like to watch as well, and that had a big move also. And last week we had a perfect exit on this. You can see that price was up here quite a bit, and right here, based on the Moxie rules and what I show, we could see that price was getting a little bit too extended and too far. And we took an exit right there, pretty much right at the top, absolutely perfect. And then price started to pull back from there. So this has been working out nicely too. Now the next thing is to see if this pullback is going to eventually be into support, and maybe we start our seasonal run upward. So definitely looking out for that. If you guys find this interesting, be sure to come over to simplertrading.com/ there we go, simplertrading.com/Moxie. You guys can come in $7 trial for 30 days. Would love to see you guys on the inside of the room. And if you like the way that the Moxie Indicator works and how I see the market, come on over and let me know if you guys are new when you join the room. We can say hi to you. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.